Hello students, now we will learn about the factors that are affecting size of the cell. And also later we will see what are different shapes of cells. First one, size of a cell is affected by nucleus and cytoplasm content. As the cytoplasm volume or the content is increased and the size of the nucleus is increased, then size of the cell will be increased. As the size of nucleus increases and content of cytoplasm means the amount of cytoplasm increases, then size of cell increases. Second one, as the size of cell increases, surface area relative to volume ratio decreases. So based on this point, we can see one MCQ. Smaller organisms or smaller sized organisms or cells will write have more surface area to volume ratio. So there will be more loss of heat from body. So in polar regions, what happens? Organisms have been adapted to increase their body size so that surface to volume ratio will be decreased so that there will be less loss of heat. In polar regions, organisms have large sized body, so there will be less or decreased surface to volume ratio. So less loss of heat from body is seen. Loss of heat from body. So these are two factors. Third, rate of metabolism. Small sized organisms have high metabolism. More I mean representing as arrow mark. Metabolism. Large sized cells have less metabolic activity comparing to this. So these are three important factors. 1, 2, and 3. Three important factors that affect size of a cell. Now coming to different shapes of cells. We will write a few types of cells and what are their shapes looking like. First one, WBC, white blood cells. They are amoeboid in shape with a central nucleus. We can write here WBC, amoeboid shape. Amoeboid shape. Next, smooth muscle cell. In animal body, it is spindle shape. Will be looking some roughly like this. Next, Next, Vibrio cholera, bacteria, comma shaped, comma shaped. Next, mesophyll cells in plant body. These are round and oval shaped. Next, RBC of frog, elliptical shape. It looks like this. Central nucleus. Now, RBC of human cell. Biconcave. When epithelial cells are compactly arranged, they attain some other different structure called polygonal shape. Epithelial cells in compact arrangement means tightly packed. Polygonal in shape means having many shapes, many faces. Next, guard cells of stomato. These are kidney bean shaped. In dicots. Next, same guard cells in monocots. That is dumbbell shaped. Next, nerve cells, branched and elongated. Next, chloroplast. Chloroplast mostly typically will be disc shaped, and there are other shapes of chloroplast also. This is typical, means generally when we are talking about chloroplast, we used to give structure shape like this. Columnar cells, columnar epithelial cells, epithelium. These are long and narrow. Long and narrow. Next, spirillum. This is spiral in shape. This type of organisms or bacteria, they look like this. Next, round or oval in shape. Cocci, bacteria, round shaped like this. Next, bacilli, that is rod shaped bacteria like this, rod shaped. So these are few shapes of cells. If we go for trachid type of cell in plant anatomy, trachid is elongated and narrow. So xylem trachid. This is like this. This is narrow and elongated. Narrow and elongated.